to my new channel. Like I said, welcome to my new channel. My name is Richard. I wanted to start this YouTube channel because I've been inspired some by a lot of my favorite YouTubers in the automotive industry. A little background about me. I did go to school for automotive, but got away from it. Just kind of lost the passion for it. But I kind of, over time watching YouTube and all that stuff, kind of got me back for a passion for it. So I've wanted to for a long time to restore my grandpa's old truck. A little backstory on it. My grandpa bought it brand new in 1990. He drove it for 10 years in the 90s, hot-shotting with it, hauling all over the country, till he just couldn't drive no more. Sadly, we lost my grandpa in 2007. He was a great man. I looked up to him. I miss him every day. And I want to make this truck a rolling tribute to him. There's a few things we want to do. It's got some issues. Not engine-wise. We had the engine done a few years ago, or well, my dad did. Some of the issues are like it's got cab rust, like your typical first gens up there on the top of the cab. It's got a hole that's in the floorboard, not a huge hole, but it's fixable. The rockers are starting to rust a little bit. Other than that, it's just got little nicks and dings all over the bodies and stuff that needs filled in, all that stuff. But thing is, this truck's still got to be used in the process of it being quote-unquote restored. We're trying to do this a little bit on a budget. I did splurge on the thing I'm doing to it today just because I had to have them, because we're going to use it. Like I said, me and my wife are going to use it for hauling the camper. My dad's still going to use it to haul hay. So the thing I'm doing in the video, like I said, I did splurge on them. It's not what I wanted to do. It's kind of out of order, but I think you guys will like it. At least I hope you like it. My dad said he's already loved them. He's seen them. So with further ado, I will walk you around the truck, show you a little bit of things, and we'll get to it. Thank you. So like I said, she's a 1990 D350. Some of the things, this fender's banged up, the other fender's banged up. I do have spare fenders for it, but I'm not going to put those on until it eventually gets time for paint. At one point in its life, it had some like West Coast style mirrors, so it's got holes there that need to be filled in. Me and Dad had second gen mirrors put on it. I'm gonna say probably about 5-6 years ago, somewhere around there. I do want to make that look better. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. As far as the cab rust, it's got your typical, it's up there at the top, up underneath the cab lights, and a little bit underneath the drip rail. It's not too horrible yet, but it's gonna be a learning process. That was the reason I started this channel, is that everything's a learning process. I'm not no body man, but I'm willing to learn, and I'm hoping some of you guys are along to go on the journey and learn with me. As far as the interior, it's pretty plain Jane. We did have a custom headliner put in a long time ago, just because the other one was falling down. Matte floors, crank. She's all manual. It's 5-speed. Overall, it's been a great truck its whole life. It's just I'm wanting to give it a new lease on life. So I'm gonna get into what I'm doing in this video today, and that is new wheels and tires. Now, we went with 19.5s on an 8-lug pattern, and I just think it's going to give this truck an overall aggressive look, but not too over the top like we see with some of these dualies with the 22.5s. I think the 19.5s are going to look really good on it. And it's still going to be usable. It's still got plenty of tires. They're 14-ply tires. it's still going to be very usable, and I should have no problem pulling a camper or when Dad hooks it up to the gooseneck and pulls it there. So let's get into it. Well, there's one, and I think it already drastically has already changed the look of the truck, and I only have one steer tire on. So let's go ahead and knock the rest of these out. All right, that already looks 10 times better, I think. Yep. We'll go ahead and get the other side knocked out, and then we'll do the final product. Thank you. All right, we're back. They're all on. They all look good. As you can see, walk around here. So, I'm happy with the outcome. Hope you guys are. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, it's my first video. Sorry if it's awkward. Still learning this whole thing. So, going to try and put out regular videos. Don't know how easy that's going to be for me. I do have a full-time job. The next video I do know I'm going to try and tackle the floorboard. So, hope y'all like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm excited to see what this journey is going to take me. Thank you.